Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to unboxing something interesting. It's in this box. It's from Farfetch. I bought something for my friend. Yeah, let's open it. Yeah, it's Farfetch. I got discount on Farfetch, so yeah. Here, just some packaging. In case you are interested, this one is like a Gucci stuff. Guess what's inside? It's a small bag. Here's the receipt. Let me see the receipt. Yeah, this is returning label. This one is also for returning. So let's keep it that way. Let's open this small bag. Yeah, it was actually nicely packed, but I opened it before. So first, let's see this one. What's here? Yeah, I think this one is the model and the color of the product. So it's 100% original because this is wrote actually by Gucci. Although I bought it from Farfetch, but it was shipped by Gucci, you know. Let's put it inside. And take out the product. And here's, yeah, oh my god. This is the box. It feels really nice. The box, let's open it. Inside it's pink. Inside it's a pink, the Gucci pink, which is really nice. And here's the sunglasses. The details, oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. You see the detail here? Here there's logo here. Can you see it? You can see it now. Yeah. And here's the frame. The frame here is the logo. Anyway, there's logo here. Focus, please. Yeah, there's logo here, and the frame here is 3 colors: dark blue, red, and I think it's this white, which is so cool. I mean, the color differences, I think, is my favorite part of this sunglasses. Although it's for my friend, but I wanna try it. Just want you guys to see how it looks like on my face. It's like this, yeah. Actually, it's similar as the one I have. Let me show you. This one is mine. This one is my friend. You see, mine is smaller because mine is men's. It's for men. This one is actually for women. So you can see the differences. One large, one bigger, but one is small and one is big. But the color are actually similar. Mine is also like from purple to pink. The color changes like, and here it's just one color, but this one has 3 different colors. I also give us like dust bag, so you can put your sunglasses in it if you don't want to carry the box all the time. And also here's a cloth for cleaning. You can clean your glasses with this cloth. It's nicely packed in a small bag. Yeah, and this is today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh my god, I just found some details. As you can see from here, there's some numbers of the product, and this one here. This one here also says Made in Italy. So if you guys are interested in this eyewear, please check the link down below. You can buy it from Farfetch, or you can also follow my Instagram and send me a message on Instagram so I can give you the promo code. Yeah, I have like 20% off on Farfetch. You can buy literally anything with discount. So if you are interested and want my help, you can follow my Instagram and send me a message there, and I would love to help you guys. Because I think everyone loves discount, right? And this one costs like £180, which is really not that expensive, I think. So See you on my Instagram. Bye bye.